yang ke trobo chuta ta kang de yo ta lo ya ka khong na nga yi pa ye la pe sho ku chu je.
This was Paolo Lennox's dying wish. This was the simple request he made of us. Today, 6 weeks later, we stand here. We must stand here for them. My generation, Gen Z, this is our responsibility. Our parents and grandparents carried this movement for decades. They marched, they organized, they taught us our language, they dressed us in our traditional clothing, brought us to protest, and refused to allow Tibet disappear from our hearts. But they cannot carry this movement forever. People, Tibetan culture, Tibetan identity, and Tibetan freedom. I'm a mixed Bepa and Indian girl, and I am no longer afraid to use my voice for those whose voices have been silenced. My Tibetan may not be perfect. I still have more to learn about my language, my culture, and my freedom. But I am here. I am showing up, and I am learning. And I am ready to fight for Tibet's independence and for the future of my people. For a long time, I questioned whether I was Tibetan enough. I don't question that anymore. I am proud of where I come from. I am proud to carry Tibet with me, and I will never